Charles David, Aaron Gonzaga,
Ah, siya,
Casey Hoy, and our leader, Mariah Andamo. We are here to present our preserved mango jam and to prepare it.
In making mango jam, you will need 2 tablespoons mango, 4 pieces of celery, and 1/4 kilogram of fruit.
Procedure. At first, get your mangoes and peel it.
Hindi gagamit ng kutsilyo dyan.
Hindi po.
After peeling it, cut or slice it in cubes and put it in a bowl.
Laki. Kaya tapos kami ng malaking tasty para sa atin.
Then, the lemons
Look.
squeeze it.
Baliktad.
Carlo. 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 Sabi mo ka. Carlo.
Yun ang iwain ng isa. Isang lemon. Baka
Uy. Carlo. Carlo. Basahin mo yung removing the seeds.
okay.
Kasi tinatanggal.
Masih.
Carlo. Carlo.
After squeezing lemons, pour the lemon extract to the mango cubes. Put all the sugar measuring half of a kilogram.
Sarap. Ayun.
Wait until it dissolves. Don't stir it. If it doesn't dissolve, you can put it down on the pan and heat it with the stove up for 45 minutes. When finished heating it and it begins jelly-like texture, you can now put it in a sterilized jar. jar.
Yung bago yung dahil
Uy,
directly
ano?
you can use it for breads.
Okay. Group leaders. This is my question. Ano yung nakakamat sa inyong product? Lemon. Why?
Kasi po yung lemon, citrus fruit po siya. Kasi po pag yung citrus fruit yung ginamit ko kapag preserving po ng mas tumatagal po siya in a day for weeks po.
Okay. Next. What will be the price of your product once na nilabas mo sa market? Ever natin nakalagay sa jar na yan, magkano ang magiging presyo? 100 plus. Bakit 100 plus? Okay, very good. Next. Charles, kung ikaw ang tatanungin, ano yung pinaka masasabi mong strength ng product? Ha? Masarap. Okay. So, deduction is 3 points. Chopping board. Table, medyo madumi. Without using spoon. Dun sa paglalagay ng sugar. Dapat ginagano pa rin yun. Hindi dapat siya tinatansya lang. Ha? Okay. So, 90. Thank you, group 3. Next group. Ay, group 3 pala next.
Stop ko na to.
Matigim naman. Kung masarap na.
Stop ko na to.
Tignan ko lang. Alam.
Ito tayo isang
Garnish.
Ang tibay nito, pre.
Lalagyan pa ito ng bread. Hindi na.
Iping ako pa. Bibidyo na.
Yan. Titignan mo lang. Kami yung alam mo yung may ano.
Carlo.
Yun.
Bibidyo ako si Bang.